Hey, what's up guys, Satish here. Probably the next big thing in smart wearable industry in India is going to be this band. I mean this band. Seriously guys, I meant this band. This is the all new MI Band 3. Well, I have been using this band as my daily driver from past 3 weeks, and in this video I'm gonna share my experience using this band. MI Band 3 was launched in China a couple of months back, and it should go on sale in India maybe next month if my speculations are right. And about the pricing, it might be priced around 2000 to 2300 due to the enhancements over its predecessor. I might wear this band and won't stop using it even if I run out of battery, because the MI Band 3 looks brilliant and thanks to its curved design. The shiny layer on sensor seems more futuristic compared to any other budget smartbands available now. Still, there is a physical touch button on the sensor, but the interesting part about this band is the touch display, which can be swiped vertically and horizontally to view the information, and this is something we haven't seen in budget smartbands in a while. Honestly, for me, tapping the physical button to access the screen is much more convenient rather than using gestures in this tiny display. I appreciate Xiaomi for coming up with touch display, but it comes with lot of problems. Sometimes I accidentally tap the physical button while swiping up, and I am sure you will experience this issue. The horizontal gesture is even more harder sometimes to use. If Xiaomi can bring a software update making physical button to scroll through screens, should be a good alternative option. The 0.7-inch OLED display on this band is much brighter and legible compared to the MI Band 2, and thanks to the huge display, and this is something Xiaomi actually took it as feedback. But when it comes to direct sunlight, still the display is not much legible and you might need to use your palm for assistance. Compared to any other budget smartbands in this price segment, the display in MI Band 3 is brighter. If you are upgrading from MI Band 2, then you would be happy to use this band on this particular aspect. The sensor other than the display is made of strong plastic, and this time there is vertical line in middle of the sensor to give room for the strap. And on bottom, of course, there is heart rate sensor, which is very identical to MI Band 2. Unfortunately, Xiaomi is still sticking to their old method of charging their sensor through the provided charging cable in the box. Few brands like Lenovo has already offered direct USB charging feature in their bands, which can be charged to a power bank or to a laptop, which seems more convenient. But when it comes to MI Band 3, I had to go back home if I don't carry the charging cable with me, find the charging cable in the box and then charge it. I hope Xiaomi introduces direct USB charging method of charging next time in their band. In particular, I don't see much of a difference in this strap, as it still remains made of same thermoplastic elastomer as in MI Band 2, and the band seems durable as well. But the strap that goes around the sensor seems marginally thin, and it can break if you handle it aggressively. Also, you might find it harder to remove the sensor from the strap, but there is a simple mechanism to remove it. Just press the end of the strap and it ejects the sensor from the strap. But this mechanism is not as good as the one seen in MI Band 2. Xiaomi really utilized the touchscreen and came up with horizontal and vertical swiping feature to explore more. This band has been very useful for me, as I need not to lift the phone from the desk or from the pocket whenever I receive a text or WhatsApp message, as I can read them right in the band. Unfortunately, the band doesn't support emojis, so that is something you have to compromise. Also, the band can display caller information and you need not to use the phone to dismiss the call. In fact, you can long tap the physical button on the band to dismiss the call. I know you will find it very handy and useful feature. In the user interface of the band, I can view last 5 notifications right in the band, and each notification can be viewed scrolling horizontally. Well, you have the option to change the watch face with 3 different themes which can be set in the band. If you are into gymnastics or if you are a sports person, you might find the stopwatch feature very useful. So these are some new and notable features in MI Band 3. Well, there are unnecessary features like weather information which can be viewed, but seriously I personally won't go through this very often. MI Band 3 also supports NFC payments. Unfortunately, it is being supported only in China, as they have MI Pay support. Coming to the battery life, being a moderate user of smartphone, the band did last long for nearly 12 days on a single charge for me. Considering how handy this band can be, and offering 12 days of battery life is a good deal. And if you are a person who receives lot of notification and calls, it might last long up to 10 days. Mi Band 3 is of course water resistant up to 50 meters and has IP67 rating. You need not to worry while you wash your hands or when you accidentally drop in the water. If you want to swim along with this band, then do it at your own risk, as this is just water resistant, not the waterproof. And also do not use them while you take showers, as the hot water can damage the display and burn the straps. We have seen how Mi Band 2 has become one of the most selling smartband of all time, and Mi Band 3 here as well has all the possibilities to become the best selling smartband, and in order to achieve that, Xiaomi should price the band very aggressively. So what do you think of this band, guys? So that's it in this video. If you think I deserve a credit for making this video, hit the subscribe button and show your love. Have a nice day and stay awesome.